Hey, we're at the Pfister Hotel in downtown Milwaukee. I'm Greg, of course, and this is
Zachary!
Last year we had so much. No, not last year. When was it? Like 2 years ago. So yeah, it's been 2 years ago since. This is the second time for me. I don't know how many times it's been for him. But we're just checking out an upgraded, air quotes, upgraded suite. Now, what's here?
Sweet Life of Zach and Greg.
Ooh, it's even bigger. There's a safe box.
Yeah. Oh, you know we stingy. We stealing these. We stealing these. There's nothing in here.
You can't. If I'm recording a video, you can't say you're stealing.
Just kidding. We're not. Okay.
But more action to follow, yeah. Yeah.